watching Nama channel.
Last class we have to see what is meant by polynomial and types of polynomial under terms and degrees. Degrees is nothing but the highest power of the expression. Now we have to go on to the example. Find the degree of each of the polynomials given below. So here three questions is there. I have to take the first question, x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3. So in the solution, so already I informed that degree is nothing but highest power of the exponent. So x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3. So here in this expression, highest degree is 5. Therefore, degree of the polynomial, x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3 is 5. As the same way, question number 2. 2 minus y square minus y power 3 plus 2y power 8. So as usual, we observe that 2 minus y square minus y power 3 plus 2y power 8. Here the highest power is 8. Because therefore, what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of the polynomial 2 minus y square minus y cube plus 2y power 8 is 8. Now third question. Here there is no variables at all, only constant term is there. So this constant term can be written in the form 2 equal to 2x power 0, because x power 0 equal to 1. So 2 into x power 0, 2 into 1 equal to 2. So now the degree of this constant term is 0. Therefore, degree of the constant term or constant polynomial is 0. Okay, now we see exercise 4.1, first Roman. Which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. Already I told how we find out the polynomial with one variable. All the expression which contains a one variable. Before that, whether the given expression is a polynomial or not, the exponents of the variable is in whole number. Otherwise, is not under the polynomial. So first question you do it as a homework by comparing the example sums. Second question, solution. So y square plus root 2. Here the exponents of the variable, here the variable is y and then exponent of the variable is 2. So exponent of the variable is in whole number. So this is under polynomial with the variable y. Yes. Polynomial in one variable y. So the expression which contains only one variable, the variable is y. The power of that variable is 2. 2 is the whole number. So because of that, this expression is under the conditions for the polynomial. So S, the polynomial in one variable y. Next we move on to question number 3. Question number 3, 3 root t plus t root 2. So 3 root t plus t root 2 can be written in the form 3. This root t can be written in the form t power 1 by 2 plus t root 2. Therefore, 3 root t plus t root 2 is not a polynomial. It's not a polynomial because root t, power of root t is not a whole number. Already I told the expression contains, the variable contains the power is in whole number, not in a fraction or integer. So because of that, the power of root t is 1 by 2. So power of root t is not a whole number. Because of that, this is not a polynomial. Question number 5. X power 10 plus y power 3 plus t power 15. Solution. X power 10 plus y power 3 plus t power 15. The question is that expression of polynomial in one variable. Here this is not a polynomial in one variable, but this is also one of the polynomial with the 3 variables. This is not a polynomial in one variable, but the polynomial contains 3 variables. 3 variables x, y and t. So here x, y, t is the 3 different type of variable. So this is not a polynomial in one variable, but the polynomial contains 3 variable. Now this is second Roman. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. So coefficient is nothing but a number can be product with the variable. It can be x or x square or x cube. So here we have to find out the coefficient of x square in the given expression. So first one, 2 plus x square plus x. Here we have to find out the coefficient of x square. So x square is there. So what is the coefficient? It can be multiple with 1. Therefore, coefficient of x square is 1. And then fourth question, second and third, do it as a homework. Fourth question, root 2 x minus 1. So in this expression we have to find out the coefficient of x square, but in this expression there is no x square. Because of that there is no coefficient. So next we move on to third problem. So now we see question number 3. Give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. So here it's your choice. We have to take any of the variable like a, b, c, d up to a to z. You have to take any of the variable by using, but already you know that degree in the sense we have to take highest power in the variable. So they have to given highest power is 35 and 100. First we have to take binomial. So binomial of degree 35. So binomial in the sense binomial. This expressions contain 2 terms. So I will take any of the 2 variables. X plus 5. So here 2 terms is there and the degree 35. So I will take x power 35. So this is one of the example binomial of degree 35. You have to write so many examples for that. And next we move on to monomial. Monomial of degree 100. So monomial consider only one term. There is no basic operation like plus and minus. So because of that 2x power 100. So this is only one term with the power 100. This is monomial of degree 100. So you have to write 3 examples for binomial of degree 35 and then monomial of degree 35. You have to write 3 examples for each. 3 more examples for each. Binomial of degree 35, monomial of degree 35. This is a homework for you. 3 more examples for binomial and monomial. Next we move on to the 4. Now we see Roman letter 4. Write the degree of each of the polynomials. First question, degree, already you know that degree is nothing but highest exponent of the given expression. So the solution. 5x power 3 plus 4x square plus 7x. Here, which is the highest exponent? So 3 is the highest exponent. So highest power of the polynomial. Highest power of the polynomial is 3. Therefore, degree of the polynomial 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x is 3. So already know that highest power of the polynomial is 3. So degree of the polynomial is 3. So next question number 3. Second question, do it as a homework. So 5t power root 7. There is no power means here 1 is the power, only one variable in this expression. So highest power. So highest power of the polynomial. Highest power of the polynomial is 1. Therefore, degree of the polynomial 5t minus root 7 is 1. Same way, highest power of the polynomial is 1. So degree of the polynomial is 1. Next we move on to find type of polynomial on the basis of degree. Already you know that degree is nothing but highest power of the expression. So degree is 1, we say it as linear polynomial, and then 2 is quadratic polynomial, 3 means cubic polynomial. Now we see Roman letter 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So this is we find under the degree. So linear means the whole expressions is contain the highest power is 1. And then quadratic means the whole expression the highest power is 2. And then cubic means cube in the sense you know that 3. So the whole expression which contains the highest degree 3. So directly we move on to the answer. So this is one of the expression. Here 1 is the degree and then 2 is the degree. So highest degree is 2. 2 in the sense this is quadratic polynomial. No need to write so many sentences for this. Directly you observe here. So you underline, because of that you underline the degree. So degree under 2 we say it as quadratic polynomial. So here the power is 1, 3. So 3 is higher, 3 means cube. So 3 is the highest power, we say it as cubic polynomial. And then in this expression only one variable with the power 1. So we say it as linear polynomial. Here only one term is there with the power 1. This one is also we say it as linear polynomial. So the remaining sums in the exercise are homework. Do it in your home itself.
Thank you for watching AHA நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. வீடியோ அடிக்கடி பார்க்கறதுக்காக இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு